everyone, today we are in the shower and I am going to wash my crochet braid. And my hair has been, I already rinsed it and I put a little of conditioner while we're on our vacation, on our cruise vacation. So this has been in the pool and it has been everywhere. You can kind of see the state that it's in now. It's not that bad in terms of freeze, but this area I will have to redo it. So what I'm doing is that I found this product in my beauty supply store. This is Cantu Shea Butter, Apple Cider Vinegar, Root Rinse with Tea Tree Oil. My scalp has been itching a little bit. So let's see. What they said is that you can apply this to your scalp and gently massage to lather. They didn't say anything about pouring water in your scalp, so let me first test it out without water and see if that does anything, because I was thinking that for it to lather it should have water. I'm thinking the smell, oh my gosh, the smell is not bad at all. So it doesn't smell like apple cider vinegar. So I'm just kind of putting it to my scalp right now. So let's see if it really lathers. So without water, the first ingredient is water. I will list all the ingredients and everything in the description area, but I don't see any immediate lather. So I am going to wet my hair first. Yeah. Okay, that's enough wetting my hair. So I'm going to take this, and yeah, I can't pronounce my H's, so oh, it feels nice. Okay, now we are talking now. See, now it is lathering. Let's do a close up for you all. Now you can see it's lathering. So I'm just gonna go here and I will be using hair ties to secure my hair. So let's go. What you do is that you are going to go track by track, and what I mean by track is if you're doing cornrows, you just go one cornrow at a time. So let's secure that away and apply that in there. I love that it has a nozzle so you can really get in there. Okay, and you really don't, I'm even able to get in without separating my hair. So that's not bad. Okay, let's put some on my edges. It smells really nice. It doesn't smell like medicine or like tea tree. So I'm just kind of putting it, and it's soothing. Doesn't smell like apple cider. I don't know, where's apple cider? I cannot see. I don't know where apple cider is on the list, but I will just keep on putting it like that. And so what they said is that this product is good for in between washes, and if you're wearing braids and extensions, it's supposed to clean your scalp and do everything. So you can see I'm not getting much of a lather. So what they said was that you should repeat this. So I've already scrubbed and you can see there's really not much of a lather. What am I here? Just taking the part of the finger, just lightly massaging in between. And I believe that is it, but don't get it in your eyes because your eyes will burn. I cannot see anything right now. I should have got in my eye. So the last thing to do is just rinse, and that should be it. Okay, now that I've rinsed my hair, the next step is I'm just gonna squeeze the crochet. Yeah, that is soaking wet. And I'm gonna grab my spray. This is my DIY leave-in conditioner. I have aloe vera juice in here, aloe vera in here. If you want to know how I make my DIY leave-in, click that box right there. And I also added in some green tea, because green tea is supposed to condition your hair and help with any scalp issue. So I'm gonna take that, and what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna take it and I'm just gonna spray my scalp and my hair. Next, I'm gonna grab my DIY oil, take a little bit of that, put that along my edges, and then just lightly put it, because my DIY leave-in conditioner already has oils in it, so I don't want to overdo it with oils. And I'm just massaging it, and I'm just taking a little bit and just putting it on this. This is synthetic, so you really don't have to do that. It's synthetic, but I just want a little shine on the twist. So now that I'm done, that's pretty much it. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna redo the exposed part. So I'm just gonna redo the flat twist. So that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a quick and easy wash day. It only took less than 10 minutes, and that's pretty much it. You do want to make sure your hair is fully dry, the extension is fully dry, so that it doesn't mold up. So if your hair can take heat, please use a blow dryer or go stand in the sun somewhere. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.